Okay, we just had a lovely breakfast here at the coffee company, and look at that. Look at the clouds over the ice over there. It's gorgeous. Okay, so Brandon, he's going back to work. I have a little bit more time, so let's just look at the shops here in Valdez, and I'll show you a little bit of the town. This is cute, right?
Thank you. Oh, you are so welcome. Okay, so she has a little discount worked in there, so it's $6.80.
Well, discount we like.
Right.
We always like discount.
Do you want a little bag, or do you want me to?
No.
Okay.
No, I have my big bag.
Okay.
Thank you.
Should I open this up and put this card in?
No.
Oh, you know what? I have this.
No, you don't have to. No.
Okay.
No, it's going. You see,
That's
I have these.
Okay.
This beautiful.
Hi.
Bag.
Would you mind me getting this on my video?
Oh, no.
Okay, great.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, so, what did we say?
Oh,
Six.
Oh, this is the bird we saw
She
today.
worked a little discount in there somewhere.
Okay, 6. And 18.
Or close enough.
Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. That's the cutest art shop. Okay. So the town is quite spaced out. You don't get like a clustered CBD anything. I could have recorded it coming in. I wasn't thinking about it, but still, I was so hungry. I just wanted to get to a place to eat. Oh, I had the best croissant with ham, cheese, and peppercorns. Right, if you're into crepes, right over here. I'm not a crepe person. That's an RV park, but you saw that when we came in. There's a little restaurant. Oh, it's like fish and hamburgers and everything. Now here you can clearly see what I'm talking about. This is how spaced out everything is. You don't just get one street where you have all the major shops. They spaced all over. I would say over about 4 blocks. Look at that giant totem thing over there. Let's go check it out. What time is it, by the way? 2 o'clock. Okay, I have time. These mountains are amazing. Oh yeah, and look at there on the highway. They have like the sort of mountains. This is also a walkway. Okay. So cool that we saw a bald eagle. Very cool. But it was a small one though. Wow, that is something. Look at it, it's huge. I wonder what it is. That's like a supermarket. I'm still looking for a selfie stick. I haven't found one yet. Wow. Okay, artist Peter Wolf. Okay, so this is in honor of the American Indians. Wow, this thing weighs 85,000 pounds. Incredible. It was made in 1981. Very beautiful. I need a picture of this. Nice. Okay. Oh, they have their own radio station. And of course all the commercial things like Subway and coffee company. This road is closed. I suppose I can walk on the grass, I'm not sure. Those are apartments. I don't know. Makes me feel a little bit claustrophobic just looking at it. I think I should be one street down, maybe. Okay, let me go back and go one street down. Just wanted to get to the statue. store. Now, when I did some research, there are plenty of hiking trails and cycling trails in this part of the world, but it's quite far out. And when we arrived, we initially wanted to take a taxi to go to a hiking trail, and then found out this town has one taxi. So when 3,000 people get off the ship, your odds of getting that taxi is quite small. Hello. Are they open? Cute. Hi. Would you mind if your shop goes onto my video?
Yeah, go ahead.
Do you have selfie sticks, by the way?
We don't.
I can't find it anywhere. Oh, this is original. Very cute. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Have a good day.
Well,
Enjoy your day. It is a beautiful day. After that one guy in Ketchikan gave me like a 20-minute lecture on why his shop should not be in my video. He could have just said, you know, don't record or whatever. I honestly did not see any sign. The sign that he's talking about, I did not see that sign. So yeah, so I thought it might be a good idea just to ask people if they're okay with me walking in and filming. And that's what I've been doing. So there's really not much to see. This is basically it. This is the town. Like I said, there are awesome tours that you can do in this part of the world. I want to see what. Oh yeah, that's the museum. There's a museum here. I remember Andrew told me he's coming here today. This is the Valdez Museum. I don't know why they have these kids on all the posts saying High School 2025, open daily 9 to 5. Okay. Alright, If you want to visit the museum, this is where you'll find it. There's the visitor center. What is this? No idea. So right over there, the visitor center, if you have any questions or would like to go on tours. And the rest all just gift shops and coffee shops. That's it. All right, until next time, everybody. We'll be at sea for 3 days and then we arrive in Alaska. All right. Until next time, bye.